Hi friends, in this video I will guide you how you can share your drive or folder or any file with any other computer over the Windows machine. The same method will be followed onto the Windows 11 or Windows 10. So first of all, let's see. We have the one folder, name is important, and inside the important we have one file, that is the notepad file 123. So first of all, what you have to do, then right click on it, go into the properties, click onto the sharing, advanced sharing, check mark it, permissions, allow, allow, apply, OK, and then OK. After that, you have to click onto the share button. Here you have to open tab. Open tab, then you have to select everyone. Then you have to click onto the add. After that, you have to click onto the read and write both. Then share. The folder is shared. Then done. This folder has been shared. Now you have to click onto the start menu, type sharing. You will have option of advanced sharing. Once you click it, then you have to make sure the settings that I am showing you, it should be on. File and sharing inside the network discovery, it should be on. After that, you have to make sure you have to on this as well. After that, you have to open this and password protect it. If you need to close this option, you can. If you close this option, so anybody if trying to access your folder, it will not require the password. It will be directly accessed through the user. If you want to apply the password, then you have to keep on this option. Now you have to close public sharing. You have to click on it. Then you have to open this option. Once it is done, then all is good. Now we are going to access. / followed by the IP. And you can see that we have successfully accessed our shared folder, file 123. So thank you for watching this video. If you like it, kindly give the thumbs up so that you can get our latest videos and also forward to your family and friends. Stay safe. Bye bye.